All right, tip time. Thank you, Glenn, for this tip. I don't commonly use this, but I think it's a fantastic hack. Okay, have you ever been in a situation where you need to measure between 2 points with a measuring tape and you are trying to get a size here and stuffing it up, cutting it short or long? Okay, here's a tip. On the back of every measuring tape, you will have a number. In this case, 75 millimeters. Can you see that? Okay, so if I take a measurement, if I push the tape back into that surface, that vertical surface, and I take this read here from where this number stops, 304 and a half, I reckon, 304.5. I'll write that down. 304.5, and then add 75 mil plus 75, that is 379.5. Okay, let's check that. If I push my rule up against that corner, 379.5, I reckon we're bang on. Perfect. Thanks for your tip.